Hold up. It's time to pack it up. Grab your mama and daddy, it's time to pack it up. Grab your kids, it's time to pack it up. Grab your granny, it's time to pack it up. Grab your aunt, it's time to pack it up. Grab yourself, it's time to pack it up. Hold up, it's time to pack it up. Welcome back, Shot Tribe. Welcome back, Shot Tribe. So, as y'all can see, I'm a little greasy on the 1, 2, 3. Saying on it, like, do I look sleepy or not? Because if I don't, I shouldn't be looking sleepy because I'm sleepy. Okay. Let me tell y'all good folks something. It is 8:44. Do y'all see the time? Come back on there. 8:44 a.m. Y'all know what time I went to sleep? You know what time I went to sleep? It was about 3:45 a.m. Last time I checked the time. But guess what we do? Cause when it's work to be done. When it's time to put that work in, okay? We're gonna get up. We're gonna go ahead on and do what we need to do. Cause see, yeah, we on the road to 2K. Cause guess what? We ain't even worried about 100 subscribers. We on the road to 2K, okay? Cause one thing about it, we can do 100K, but guess what? We know what the goal is, okay? The God I serve, he don't want me doing all that little mediocre stuff. What's 100 subscribers when I get asked for 2,000? Huh? For everybody to be interacting in the comments, in the likes, sharing the video, like, huh? Sometimes you gotta pop out and pop back in with something else. Like, you don't have to sit up there and keep the same thing going on. You pop out and pop in with something else on your man, okay? And that's how we're doing. That's how we're gonna rock it today. That's how I'm gonna rock y'all world. You feel me? That's how I'm gonna rock y'all world today. That's how I rock over the world every day. That's why she with me. Yeah, cause I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna rock it every time. You feel me? Hold on. Super note. Some of y'all don't know about that. Yeah. Oh, it make a heart, y'all. Oh. Anyways, y'all. I'm stop playing so much. Today, we are getting ready to go to New Orleans. So, y'all know what that means? It's time to pack it up. What I say? It's time to pack it up. One more time. It's time to pack it up. Hold up. It's time to pack it up. Grab your mama and daddy, it's time to pack it up. Grab your kids, it's time to pack it up. Grab your granny, it's time to pack it up. Grab your aunt, it's time to pack it up. Grab yourself, it's time to pack it up. Hold up, it's time to pack it up. It's time to pack it up. Grab them children, it's time to pack it up. Grab your neighbors, it's time to pack it up. Grab your friends, it's time to pack it up. It's time to pack it up. All right now, y'all. How hear y'all in the back. Y'all heard the tenors. All right now, tenors. Let me back up for real, y'all. I gotta pack up. If we have time, me and my baby, we gotta make time to go to Five Below either way. Because I need some headphones that way I'll be able to edit while we on the road and stuff. Because we riding with somebody else. Yeah. So that's that. It was something else I was gonna come on camera and say. Oh, the reason why I stayed up so late. So we went out to the club with my sister. Baby, Auntie was tired, but Auntie had to stay up because my sister was like, we can get up early in the morning and take my braids down, or we could stay up and then take them down. And at first, I was like, nah, I don't want to stay up. Y'all, I got the going on in the house. Oh, never mind. We finna stay up. It's over with. Oh, y'all. Let me show y'all what happened. Because, y'all, I know my niece gonna watch this. Y'all, why this girl got hair down on my futon? Like, what? Very much insane. But you know what I had to tell her after I saw that? It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Yeah. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Hair down on the futon. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. You don't want to clean up. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Don't brush your teeth and it's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. You cut all the lights on. Hey, it's time to back it up. Hey, it's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Hey, your attitude stinky. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Let me go get the suitcase. But you heard my song. Got the suitcase, y'all. Is it ready? Okay. Y'all, I got to tell Oprah my song. Hold up. So this how the song go. You ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up. Yeah. It's time to back it up. Grab your grandmama, girl. It's time to back it up. Grab them children. It's time to back it up. Grab your babies. It's time to back it up. Grab your mama. It's time to back it up. Grab your daddy. It's time to back it up. It's time to back it up.
You trying to showcase your talent?
Yeah. I said, how I put it? Die on the futon, it's time to back it up. Yeah, it's time to back it up. Leave the lights on. It's time to back it up.
Right.
It's time to back it up. You got an attitude, girl. It's time to back it up.
You got bread, you gonna get
It's time to back it up.
take that attitude on, put it in a box.
It's time to back it up.
I guess I'd be nice to y'all today. Y'all okay? I'm sleepy still. But you know, it's a beautiful Saturday. I'm finna get up in about 30 minutes. But we need to go to Dollar Tree. You a drum range or something? That's how you cut the band off?
Y'all, ooh, y'all want to tell the story on the channel. Y'all, I was giving my grandma a shower the other day. And,
You whispering to them people, speak up.
I gave my grandma a shower the other day. I mean, not the other day. That was last night. I got her a shower last night, y'all. And we had a little visitor in the restroom, in the bathroom or whatever. And by this time, she had just got out. I was helping her dry off and all that. And the visitor came in and, y'all, I saw her running and running. Y'all, I see it. Y'all, I was trying to get on down. I said, Grandmama, there you go. go, Grandma. There you go. Y'all, my grandma said, ah. I wish I could lift my feet up. My grandma feet said, ah.
That was so funny.
She said, ah.
Should
I said,
be
Grandma.
married?
She told me, go get Marsha.
Now you whispering to them folks.
Go get Marsha. Here I go. Yeah. Ooh. Can't use that. I was about to pick that up.
Wait a minute.
Trying to be a pager. I said, pager Uncle Marshall. Pager Uncle Marshall. Hey, pager. Oh, we need you in the bathroom. We got a little visitor. We need you. Because one thing about it, I ain't finna. I had already hit the helicopter, y'all, and then that thing started running to me. I ain't do it. See our verses I put up on our door? I don't think I ever showed y'all. This is 2 Timothy 1:7. For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but one of love, of power, love, and sound judgment. Amen. Amen. It's the same one. Philippians 4:6. 4:6-7. It's the same one. Oh, this the one. It's a good one too now. Matthew 7, verse 7-8. Come to the Lord with a humble mind and spirit, and he shall bless you. That's probably the Message version. It sound like it. Y'all, I'm reading the scriptures the other day. Now, come on now. What it says, fear makes you forget, faith makes you fight. And there's somebody out there y'all need to keep on fighting, man. My neighbors are saying, I hope they wrap it on up, y'all. I hope y'all wrap that on up now. Y'all, I love these damn. My sister, my oldest sister brought me these for Christmas, I think. Y'all, I love these shoes so much. I literally only wore them one time. But I'm finna wear them this weekend and I'm so happy. The outfit really not gonna turn all the way out like I wanted it to. Cause so I'm gonna tell y'all my plan. So the plan was I got the plain what is it called? I got the plain sweatshirt and I had wanted my mama to iron me some letters on it, like it was gonna be the YouTube name, you know what I'm saying? I could have did Shy Trap. I wonder if she wanna do it this morning. Maybe that is it. I think I'm gonna do one more outfit though. One more which color pants. We'll think about that in a second. I ain't said it on this channel, but on which color channel I have, y'all. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, that's a good angle. So what we over here do is, y'all, we take them Shein bags, we keep them right. Now you can go and buy the ones on Amazon. But if you on Shein more than you on Amazon like me, sponsor me, Shein. I'm ready, Shein. Okay? I'm ready. Pack and talk, show these pack and talk. So we decided to hold off with our wedding reception. And we're just gonna take a trip. And it's gonna be a surprise. We're gonna tell you where we're gonna go. We wanted to go to Puerto Rico, but we got some stuff to get together. And then I might take that trip for my birthday. Cause I mean, either way, she's still gonna be with me, regardless. Y'all, these are the pants. I love these little pants, man. I'm gonna wear the leather if I don't. Let me pull that up. I'm gonna wear the leather out of these, you know. I'm just talking, this is like my second time wearing them, I think. Yeah, it's right. one time earlier this year or last year, one of them times, child. Ooh, I gotta hurry up, y'all. Stomach hurt. It hurt, it hurt. Alright. Drawers and socks. Babe. 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 Huh? You don't see him. Dang. In the bag. Almost. Almost everything. She talking about my glasses ain't even. Hold on.
I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.